motorcycle tank.
What's going on, guys? Stephen Hamby here with Dent Hogs Paintless Dent Repair, and today we are going to be working on a Harley Davidson gas tank that has a fairly large dent in the side. It's about the size of a tennis ball, maybe a little larger, and we're going to repair it with Paintless Dent Repair today to preserve the factory original paint. We're not going to be using any Bondo or filler, of course, because this is a paintless repair and that's all we do here. So guys, thanks for checking out this video. I'll take you over to show you the damage, and then we'll sit up and try our best to film the repair as it happens, and then show you the final results at the end. Thanks again for watching, and let's go ahead and get started. We have the fuel injection opening here that's going to get us access inside the tank, and this is the tool we're going to be using. It's a fairly thick rod. It has a threaded end on it. Pretty long, nice, comfortable grip on the handle. And this is the tip we're going to be using today. It's made by a company called Dentcraft. It is a M96 tip. And we are going to screw that on there, and we are going to be starting the dent with this tip. It's got a nice rubber coating on there, nice big thick surface to push up a large amount of the dent to start, and then we're going to move down into finer, smaller tips to fine tune the repair. So whenever there's an impact to a panel that has a radius on it, such as a motorcycle tank, you end up with these crowns or high spots around the perimeter of the dent. We have to tap those down with a blending hammer, which is what you've been seeing us do here, and that's actually relaxing the metal in the center, allowing us to shape it out more easily. So as you can tell here, we have gotten the bulk of the damage out. There are some areas that we need to fine tune a little bit, get some of that little texture out that's in the metal. So we're gonna move down to some finer tip tools here, something with a little bit more of a point on it to be able to get in there and get those little tiny low spots out to get it even smoother. See where we've gotten it to at this point. We just got a little bit of fine texture on the right hand side of the dent and a good bit of shallow still left here that we're working out. We've switched over to a different tip, same rod. We have a extension. I believe this is about an inch, maybe an inch and a half extension, and then a wood resin ball tip. All right, we've wrapped it up, and we are going to do a pan over the tank real quick. So we got most of that orange peel slicked back out. It kind of matches the orange peel on the rest of the tank. We sanded and buffed the area too, just to take care of any kind of little imperfections that were left in the paint. So this is the finished product, guys. You can see that the dent is completely gone. The curvature is back. There's no texture left. It's totally smooth. So we've essentially erased the damage using Paintless Dent Repair. And what you're seeing is the original paint. There's no body filler or anything like that in there, which is what we're striving for here. So guys, if you would like to reach out to us about scheduling a repair or getting an estimate, you can find us online at motorcycledents.com.
This is Michael with Dent Hogs. Hey, we're gonna fix a motorcycle tank.
This is Michael with Dent Hogs. Today we're gonna fix a motorcycle tank.
This is Michael with Dent Hogs. Today we're gonna fix a
What are we gonna?
Dent Hog tank. I mean a motorcycle tank.
All right, let's try it again.
This is Michael with Dent Hogs. Today we're gonna fix a motorcycle dent. This is Michael with Dent Hogs. Today we're gonna fix a dent hog.
Close.
Something.
Close.
This is Michael with Dent Hogs. Today we're gonna fix a motorcycle tank. This is Michael with Dent Hogs.
You gotta look at the camera the whole time.
This is Michael with Dent Hogs. Today
Try it again. Try it again. Angry. Point at the camera and say, "This is Michael with Dent Hogs."
Okay. This is Michael with Dent Hogs.
Don't pull your ear though.
I did.
You did.